What is up, YouTube? This is FNH News with a brand new video talking about Lasko portable heater. So I actually needed a portable heater for my room, and I looked on Amazon and I saw like a couple different stuff. So I was like, you know what? I see this one. It has one of the best reviews. It has one of the best ratings. It was an Amazon choice pick, and it was $20. The rest were fairly expensive, like $60, $70, $50. I was like, let's get right into this heater. Let's purchase it. I actually got same day delivery, so I actually got it yesterday, I believe. So I'm gonna make the review today. I'm actually gonna turn it on as well to give you guys like to show you how the overall heater works. So let's get right into like unboxing or unwrapping how the heater comes from. So again, overall, like I said, the heater had overall very good quality, and it had good reviews. It had good like overall everything how it was going with it. So I want to check it out, and I believe I have a Lasko heater in my house already. I believe I purchased. Let me see if I can grab the knife. I believe I purchased one for my brother. I don't know if this is the same one, because Amazon usually tells me, oh, purchase X date. So it didn't really tell me that. So I feel like this may be either a newer version, or maybe this was not the one I purchased. I could be wrong. So overall, but I have tested Lasko before, and I have overall liked their quality and their product. And like I said, the price point was a huge factor for me. So, oh, there's a, just unwrap this. So the wrapping's a bit inconvenient. I don't like so much wrapping. I think I've said this in my other reviews. In general, I just don't like wrapping so much. I prefer the product just be like come out clean, simple, and like this one is a billion wires, as you can see, all over the place. Well, we've unwrapped it, so that's the plus side right now. So as you can see, this is the heater. This is how the heater overall looks like. So it's pretty small. It's fairly small, as you can see. It fits about like 1.5 of my hand length. So if you want to take an example, like my whole hand fits the heater itself. That's how small it is. About like 8 inches, 9 inches maybe. So as you can see, it has like a few different fan types features. This fan, there's 1 and 2. There's the levels of heat that you can choose, to the lowest to the highest. And I do want to plug it in just to show you. Hopefully it doesn't burn my face. Just to show you like how it works. Overall, oops, sorry. I think I hit the camera. Let me just open this. So let's see. I do apologize. Okay, plugged it in. So you can see the button turn on, the light turn on, I should say. So I have the fan on. So I think this is just a fan. I don't think this is going to be heat, because I don't actually feel any heat coming on. So it's a somewhat portable fan also. I hope I'm not incorrect about that, but it's actually blowing cool air, or like normal fan air. So that's pretty cool if it's a fan and a heater at the same time. That's actually pretty cool. I am going to turn it on up to the heat portion, and I'm just going to keep it here. So yes, right away it started heating up. It took like 5 seconds maybe, but I feel the heat. And it's getting hotter by the second, so it actually has a good warmth to it. So I actually overall like how it's working so far, and I still only have it at 1. I'm assuming at 2 it'll be significantly faster and warmer. It's actually fairly warm now. Let's see, because I have it at the highest level, so I do want to see, does it get to the point where I can't put my hand in front of it anymore, or is it just like a good warmth level, like a car what's it called, like a car heater and whatnot. I don't believe it'll get to the point where I can't put my hand over anymore, but I do start feeling stings on my hand now. So like if I get a bit too close, it stings. I feel the sting to it. So it's getting warm to a good certain degree. So it's actually pretty damn good. Damn, I'm actually very impressed. I wasn't expecting it to get to this level of heat, but it's actually fairly damn good. Yeah. This is actually a pretty good heater. Again, the price point was the biggest factor to me. It was $20. You guys can definitely check it out. The links will be in the description below. I wanted to test it out, show you guys the heat is actually fairly good. I may make an update video in a few months or so, letting you know how it overall does. Overall, the Lasko company it has done me good. It has never let me down before in the past, so I would highly recommend it. The link's in the description below. Definitely check it out. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any thoughts or anything, let me know. Overall, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.